Want to know one of the fastest ways to start making money online in 2026? It's freelancing. And before you say, "But I don't have any experience," let me stop you right there. Inte video I'm goispi can launch a profitable freelance career with zero skills, no portfolio, and no work history. We'll cover the best platforms to get started, high-paying jobs that don't require experience, and my personal strategies to attract high-quality clients, especially from the US market. If you're looking for remote work, flexible online jobs that pay in dollars, and a way to finally take control of your income, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. The biggest myth about freelancing is that you need to be an expert. You don't. You just need to be one step ahead of your client. Think about it. Business owners are incredibly busy. They don't have time to learn every little thing. They're happy to pay someone to handle tasks for them, even simple ones. That someone can be you. Your starting point isn't about being the best in the world. It's about providing value and solving a problem. So, where do you find these clients? Let's talk about the best platforms for beginners. My top recommendation is Upwork. It's the largest freelance marketplace in the world, which means there are thousands of job postings every single day. The sheer volume of opportunities is perfect for a beginner. Yes, there's competition, but there's also a constant stream of clients looking for help with tasks you can do right now. Another great platform is Fiverr. Unlike Upwork, where you bid on jobs, on Fiverr you create gigs, which are prepackaged services. For example, you can create a gig that says, "I will be your virtual assistant for 5 hours." This is fantastic because clients come to you. Finally, don't overlook social media, especially LinkedIn and even Twitter. By creating a professional profile and sharing helpful content, you can attract clients directly, often with less competition than on the big platforms. Now, for the big question, what services can you offer with no experience? You have more options than you think. Let's start with one of the easiest, a virtual assistant, or ça va. You're basically an online personal assistant. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, posting on social media, or doing basic customer support. You already know how to do most of this. It's about packaging these everyday skills into a professional service. Another huge one is data entry. This is as simple as it sounds. Companies have massive amounts of information they need organized into spreadsheets or databases. It might not be the most glamorous work, but it's always in demand, requires minimal skill, and can be your stepping stone to more complex jobs. Let's talk about another beginner-friendly field, transcription. This means listening to audio or video files and typing out what's being said. If you can type at a decent speed and have a good ear, you can be a transcriber. There are plenty of free tools online to help you slow down audio, making it even easier to get started. You can find transcription jobs for podcasts, YouTube videos, meetings, and more. It's a fantastic way to earn your first dollars online. Feeling a bit more creative? Consider becoming a social media manager. Now, this sounds intimidating, but for small businesses, it often just means creating simple posts and scheduling them. You can use free tools like Canva to design beautiful graphics in minutes, even with zero design background. Many business owners are so busy running their company that they just need someone consistent to keep their social media profiles active. You don't need to be a marketing guru. You just need to be organized and reliable. Okay, so you've picked a service. How do you get clients with no portfolio and no reviews? This is the secret sauce. First, you need to optimize your profile. On Upwork or Fiverr, your profile is your storefront. Use a fresh-looking photo no partie pique. Real. Don't say, I'm new and have no experience. Instead, say, I am a detail-oriented and reliable virtual assistant dedicated to helping busy entrepreneurs streamline their operations. See the difference. It's all about framing. Next, you need to create a portfolio from scratch. Wait, didn't I say you don't need one? Well, you don't need a client-based one. You can create your own samples. If you want to be a writer, write 3 sample blog posts on topics you enjoy. If you want to be a social media manager, create a week's worth of content for a fictional brand and put it in a PDF. If you want to do data entry, create a clean, organized spreadsheet with sample data. This shows potential clients you have the skills, even if no one has paid you for them yet. Proactivity is key. Now, let's talk about landing that first client, especially one from the USA market, as they often have higher budgets. When you apply for a job on a platform like Upwork, never use a generic, copy-paste proposal. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. Read the job description carefully. Address the client by their name if you can find it. Mention specific details from their post. I noticed you're looking for assistance with calendar management. I am proficient with Google Calendar and Calendly and can ensure your schedule is perfectly organized. This shows you've actually read their request and aren't just spamming applications. Here's another pro tip for beginners. Price yourself competitively, but not ridiculously low. Never work for free. Your goal is to get that first 5-star review. Offer a slightly lower rate for your first 1 or 2 projects to make your proposal more attractive. Frame it as an introductory offer. Once you have a couple of glowing reviews, you can start raising your rates immediately. Those initial reviews are social proof. They tell other clients that you're trustworthy and deliver good work. They are worth more than the initial money you earn. Let's think long term. Your first freelance job is just the beginning. The goal isn't to do data entry forever unless you love it. The goal is to get paid to learn. While you're working as a virtual assistant, you'll see the inner workings of an online business. You might notice they need better email marketing. So, you spend a few weekends learning about MailChimp. Suddenly, you can offer email marketing as a higher paid service. Your client already trusts you, so they're likely to give you a shot. TCO, you level up your skills and your income by using your current work as a launchpad for the next step. You're essentially building a career ladder, one paid project at a time. Remember, the key to success in freelancing, especially at the beginning, is mindset and momentum. You will face rejection. You will ter chier si normal. Everyone goes through it. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is persistence. Commit to sending out 5 high-quality, personalized proposals every single day for 30 days. I can almost guarantee you will land a client. It's a numbers game, but one you can win with quality and consistency. So, to recap, You don't need experience to start. Pick a simple service like being a virtual assistant, data entry, transcription, or basic social media management. Create a professional profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Build a small sample portfolio to showcase your skills. Write custom, personalized proposals that show you care. Price yourself to get your first few crucial reviews, and then start raising your rates. And most importantly, view every project as a chance to learn and grow. The dream of working from anywhere, setting your own hours, and earning in a strong currency like the US dollar is not some far-off fantasy. It's achievable, and it starts today with the skills you already have. You just need to take that first step. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has shown you that a freelance career is within your reach. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online.